Yeah, so I think at any point in a professional or entrepreneur's journey, the need to adjust what you're doing, it's either put on you or it comes from inside you, right? I personally feel like you want to be in more control. You need to kind of look ahead and say, where is the journey headed? How can my energy be spent in a different way to kind of usher in that next chapter? As a chef and an entrepreneur, but with a non-traditional background in advertising and self-taught in cooking, I've always looked at the creative aspect of how people can connect with food. That's been my core. Becoming a chef, opening a restaurant, launching a food truck, doing things differently within a space that's historically been very, you know, matter of fact, very, by the book. I've always taken a slightly different approach and said, how can we connect with people with great ideas, great food in a fun and unique way? And I think if that remains true to the core, you're naturally always trying to reinvent. Because as soon as something feels comfortable or complacent, then you're probably overstaying your welcome.